Anxious about your home's ability to stand up to the harsh winter climate in the Alberta area? GreenFox Windows and Doors is your source for premium replacement windows in Lethbridge that help you stay cozy and control your utility costs. How do we provide these benefits? Let's examine the details of our window replacement services. Indoor comfort is a major concern when winter rolls around. Our timely replacement services help you avoid condition issues in older windows that can decrease your comfort. These include cracked glass and warped frames. When these issues are resolved, it's much easier to maintain a relaxing, healthy indoor environment. Are the windows currently installed in your Lethbridge home lacking in energy efficiency? We specialize in producing super durable vinyl windows designed with efficiency in mind. Moreover, we use top-notch materials and methods to install your new windows. The result is a more energy-efficient household throughout the year. You can also profit from considerable utility savings. Are these kinds of perks limited to a certain window type or size? Absolutely not. Regardless of the kind of windows you want to install, you'll receive the same life-enhancing advantages. Ready to make GreenFox Windows and Doors your Lethbridge window installation company? Call us today at 825-254-7064. We're standing by to help you thrive all winter long.